Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with instructions to help you remove the ransomware called ZV. And this ZV is a new ransomware. It is from the DHarm family. My video will be solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, you are definitely able to open all of your files, pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ZV ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon people discover that ZV extension has been appended to the file names. It's impossible to open the files. The ransomware eventually reveals this ransom note, where it tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with the help of reliable security application, and I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner, by the way, through either of your available browsers. So you may try opening the Internet Explorer browser if you can, and go to the website combocleaner.com, download the program, install the software, and then start researching your system. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues. And definitely, what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.